Also, we published today on our YouTube channel, Deleuze Modeste, in anticipation of next chapters, the original music we have been producing. We tend to call them more soundscapes than music. However, if you go to our website as of now, you will find a new song under Soundscapes and Territories called Another Eye, which is original music which we have created, um, which has been a very, very interesting voyage, and it is dedicated to Arthur Rimbaud, obviously, and also to the recent cases of feminicide, which unfortunately have been growing